Hi everyone, welcome to Go Classes. Today we have a big announcement to make, and this announcement is regarding the scholarships for GATE CS or DA 2025 top rankers. If you are a GATE CS or DA 2025 top ranker, then you can get discount, you can get scholarship on Go Classes GATE CS or DA 2026 complete course. You can get discount on any of our complete course on GATE CS complete course or GATE DA complete course or GATE CS plus DA combined course. Let me tell you about the discounts based on your GATE CS or DA 2025 rank. If your rank is within 500, then you will get 90% discount. If your rank is between 501 to 1000, then you are eligible for 70% discount. If your rank is between 1001 and 1500, then you are eligible for 50% discount. If your rank is between 1501 and 2000, then 30% discount, and if your rank is between 2001 and 2500, then you are eligible for 15% discount. So you can see the discounts on the screen right now. Note that before the GATE 2025 results are out, the scholarship will be provided based on the lower bound on rank estimate on GATE Overflow Rank Predictor. Let me tell you about the GATE Overflow Rank Predictor. On Google, you can put GATE Overflow Rank Predictor. This link will come, GATE 2025 Rank Predictor. You click on this link, then this type of page will open. Here you can put your response sheet URL. In this box, you can put your response sheet URL, and then you can click on this, click here for rank. You can click on this button. Now this type of page will open. Here you can see this is your rank estimate. So based on this lower bound, please understand, based on this lower bound, this is the rank estimate. Okay, so based on this lower bound, the discount will be provided. So remember, based on this rank, the discount will not be provided. Based on this rank, the discount will not be provided. The discount will be provided based on the lower bound of this rank estimate. This lower bound we will consider for providing the discount. After the GATE 2025 results are out, then scholarship will be provided based on your GATE CS or DA 2025 rank. Now, what are the steps to avail the scholarship? This is very simple. All you need to do, just send a mail to us. This is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in. You can find this in the pinned comment also. The subject of the mail will be a scholarship for GATE 2025 top rankers, and the content in the mail, you need to put your response sheet URL and scorecard. If it is available, then you need to put scorecard and which course you want to enroll. For example, do you want to enroll GATE CS or DA combined course or GATE DA course or GATE CS course? So you need to mention which course you want to enroll. Also, let me tell you, there are discounts available for Go Classes old enrolled student. Go Classes previously enrolled students. For those students, there is 20% discount on CS or DA or combo complete course. So if you are a Go Classes previously enrolled student, then you can get 20% discount on Go Classes GATE CS or DA or combo complete course. To know all about Go Classes GATE CS or DA 2026 complete course, the link you can find in the description. You can watch this orientation session for GATE CS 2026 complete course on YouTube. You can put Go Classes orientation. So for GATE CS 2026 complete course, you can watch this orientation session. The link you can find in the description. Also for GATE DA 2026, you can watch this orientation session. The link you can find in the description. So must watch these orientation sessions to know all about Go Classes GATE CS or DA 2026 complete course. Also, let me tell you that on Go Classes website or app, our complete engineering mathematics, complete discrete mathematics, and complete linear algebra for GATE DA, these three courses are freely available for all the students. For GATE CSE students, these two courses are important, and these two complete courses, complete engineering mathematics, complete discrete mathematics, these two courses are freely available for GATE CSE students. And for GATE DA students, this linear algebra for GATE DA, this course is freely available for all the GATE DA aspirants. The link you can find in the description. If there is any doubt or any query, then you can send a mail to us. This is our email ID, contact@goclasses.in, or you can put comment under this video. Okay, thank you everyone.